हेलो बच्चों, the question is the mouth parts of cockroach consist of blank which form the upper lip and blank which acts as the lower lip. So when we talk about the mouth parts of a cockroach, so cockroach mouth parts are chewing and biting type, means खाने को chew करने और bite करने. So chewing and biting type of mouth parts are there, and the various parts of the mouth or these are the अपर लिप जो कि कहलाता है लेब्रम. सो लेब्रम इज द अपर लिप. ये हमारे अपर लिप की तरह से काम करता है. सो इट होल्ड्स द फूड पार्टिकल ड्यूरिंग फीडिंग. सो इसका काम क्या हो गया, दैट इट होल्ड्स द फूड पार्टिकल्स. जो सेकेंड पार्ट है, जैसे अगर हम इसका डायग्राम देखें, सो वी कैन ड्रॉ इट लाइक दिस. इफ रफली हम देखें, सो कॉकरोच के माउथ पार्ट्स इस तरीके से अरेंज होते हैं इन अ सर्कल कि सबसे पहले यहाँ पे हमने बना दिया दिस इज द अपर लिप और द लेब्रम. नाउ इट हैज अ नोच एंड दीज आर द मसल्स एसोसिएटेड विद दिस. नाउ एट द यहाँ पे साइड्स में देयर विल बी one pair of mandibles. So next part will be the mandibles. Mandibles are actually for the grinding of food or chewing of the food. क्योंकि जो mandibles हैं उनमें there are teeth like structures. So इसको हम ऐसे draw कर देते हैं. These are having the teeth like structures for chewing or the grinding of food. So these are mandibles. Now नीचे यहाँ पे present होंगे the maxillae. One pair of maxillae will be there, and the function of these maxillae is the sensation. These are sensory structure, as well as these clean the antennae and the mouth parts. Legs को antennae को clean करने का काम होता है. So these are mandibles, maxillae, and there will be the lower lip. So lower lip will be like this is the lower lip, and this lower lip is also known as the labrum. Labium. So upper lip is labrum and the lower lip is labium, and on the sides there is one pair of mandibles and one pair of maxillae, और यहाँ बीच में there will be a tongue like structure. So यहाँ पे हम बनाते हैं this is a tongue like structure. यहाँ पे there is opening of salivary gland. तो यहाँ पे salivary gland की opening होगी, and this tongue like structure is known as the hypopharynx. So these are the various mouth parts of a cockroach. Together ये मिलके chewing and biting type के mouth parts form करते हैं. So the upper lip, so mouth part of cockroach consists of blank which form the upper lip. So upper lip is actually known as the labrum, and the lower lip is known as the labium. So right answer will be option A. So option A is the answer of this question. Thank you.